Welcome to Jamaican Culture with Share. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are keeping safe and healthy. In today's video, I will be sharing another part of our Jamaican culture with you. As I said, you know our culture is so wide. This part is the Proverbs. Proverbs? Uno think I'm gonna Bible to find Proverbs. Jamaica have their own Proverbs. Me throw me can. Me ne call no foul. Me throw me can, me no call no foul. Me throw me can, me no call no foul. Me not talk to you, me ne call your name. So me no know where you contact me on for. Me ne call your name, me throw me can, me no call no foul. It's making a general statement without calling anyone name. Me throw me no can, me no call no foul. You're making a general statement. You didn't call anybody. You didn't, point at anybody. You're just talking. Maybe you gotta talk to yourself. Sorry for maga dog. Ain't turn round bite you. Me not sorry for nobody, You're sorry for maga dog ain't turn round bite you. Sorry for maga dog ain't turn round bite you. Me not sorry for you. Because you got turn pa me. Me turn round and take up for you and you turn back pa me. That's why they say sorry for maga dog and ain't turn round bite you. What they're really saying, helping someone who turns around to be ungrateful. You do things, sometimes you don't really want to do anything for anyone, and you see somebody and say, oh, let me help this person. And you help this person, this person turn around after a day or two or after a month and curse you out. You say, sorry for my dog. Then turn around and bite you. Cock mouth kill cock. What that mean? Cock mouth kill cock. It said, be careful what you say. It might come back and haunt you. No pass no remarks for nobody. You don't know what can happen to you. Anything you see, leave it alone. No say nothing. If you're not nothing good for say, no say nothing. Because cock mouth kill cock. Don't know if you're frightened. You're lucky. Don't know if you're frightened. You want to pick on me? Why don't you pick on him? Pick on him because he's bad. But you will pick on me, right? So them say, don't be no for friend. Because you're not going to pick on him, because you think him bad. Yeah? But me, we look quiet. You want to jump all over me. So Jamaican have this saying, say, don't be no who for frightened. And now go to that person, because I know if you go to that person gonna jump all over him. But me so quiet. So them say, don't be no for frightened. Trouble not set like rain. Trouble not set like rain. Trouble not set like rain. What do you mean by trouble not set like rain? What I mean, trouble will reach you. So when you see somebody in trouble, not jump and carry on, because trouble not set like rain. It will reach you too. And we have more proverbs. And until next time, I'll share some more with you. Uno can get little. Me nah go no more. Me nah go no whole heap one time. Uno be choke. Uno too crave. Jamaican favorite word. Uno crave. Uno want all like no little uno I get. So until next time, walk good. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Like. If you like it. Give me thumbs up. Share. And have a good night. A good day. A good whatever. Continue. Be blessed.